Hi, this week we're going to be making the meshes for a palm tree that we're later on going to be rigging and UV unwrapping. To start off, we're going to need a cylinder. We can drop our vertexes here down to 8. And set our depth to 12. And we can bring our radius down to 0.5, but this may be a bit big, so I'm going to go with 0.3. Now we want to move our location up by 6 on the Z, so that it sits flush with the ground. Now we can pop over into edit mode, and with Control R we can add some edge loops. I'm going to add 11. I'm then going to select these bottom set of faces, and I'm going to scale them out on everything except the Z. I'm going to scale them around to twice the size that they were out. Now I'm going to select the top set of faces as well. I'm going to extrude them out, and then I'm going to scale them on everything except the Z. Because then I can scale them down again on the Z, so we get this little more compressed concave shape. Then in wireframe mode, I'm going to select these vertexes. I'm going to select these vertexes and move them down. I'm also going to use a bit of proportional editing as well there. Now, in edge mode, we can select all these edges down our palm tree's body. Once you have them selected, we want to bevel this out. I'm going to do just a real small bevel. We don't need this to be very big, because we're then going to select the top one of each of these edges that we've just beveled. And we're going to scale them out using Shift Z to scale them on everything except Z. Make sure your proportional editing is turned off for this. Now we might want to do a few adjustments, because you can see our top one is a bit on the small side. But with that, the palm tree body at the very least is done. We are going to want to also remember to poke this top face, so we don't have a big old end-gon sitting there. As for the bottom side, we can just delete that face away. Now we can go back to object mode, and we can spawn in another cube. I'm going to set its radius down to around 0.5 in size, and I'm going to subdivide this mesh. We only need it at 1, because this is just going to act as our coconuts. I'm probably actually going to scale this up a bit more. So you should scale this based on proportions to what you want your tree to be and how stylized you want your tree to look. Right now this coconut would actually be a 1 meter coconut, so it is a bit on the big side. But now we can start with our leaf. Now we can start with our coconut, our tree's leaves. So we're going to spawn a plane and set it up to 4 meters in size. I'm going to move it exactly 3 units on the X away from it, so that it's just out the way for now. Now over in edit mode, I'm going to add 1 edge loop up the middle. I'm then going to scale in these sides a bit. I'm going to bring them down to about 0.35% of what they originally were. I'm then going to add 4 edge loops in the middle and move them up slightly. Let's put a edge down here. I'm going to bevel. This will act as our stem for our leaf. We can then take this vertex at the top here and merge it into the one above it, making sure we merge out last. Now we can delete these faces. And now it just comes down to us needing to shape our leaf. This is a great point for us to turn on proportional editing, so we can get a more natural curve on our leaf shape. But once we have that, we can actually select these vertexes down the middle, making sure to leave the first one unselected, or making sure to leave the one at the point unselected, and move them up on the Z so we can just get a nice little bend in it. We are going to need to adjust the center one individually compared to the two outer ones, just so that our bend is across the board smoother. Make the small tweaks as you need them. But now I'm going to move my object to 2 on the Z so I can reset my origin of my mesh. And this has now set us up so that we can start rigging it next week, and I hope to see you in that one.